Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to our latest fashion guide. Today we are talking about one of the most versatile and stylish footwear options out there. Leather Loni high heel boots. From casual to dressy, these boots can elevate any outfit and a touch of sophistication. Let's dive in and explore the world of Leather Loni high heel boots. When it comes to styling leather low knee high heel boots, the possibilities are endless. Pair them with dresses or skirts for a feminine look, or with jeans and leggings for a more casual vibe. You can also wear them with shorts for a chic summer look. The key is to balance the volume of the boots with a fitted top or dress. When choosing leather low knee high heel boots, consider the style that suits your taste and preference. Do you like a sleek and minimalist designs or something more elaborate with buckles and straps? Consider the heel height too. A lower heel can be comfortable for everyday wear, while a higher heel can add drama and glamour to your outfit. Leather quality is best when it comes to knee high heel boots. Look for high quality full grain leather that will last longer and develop a beautiful patina overnight. To keep your boots looking their best, condition the weather regularly and avoid exposing them to harsh weather conditions. These leather low knee high heel boots are made from high quality of leather and latex. If you are a going lady, then these options are perfect for you because these options are endless. You can wear these leather low knee high heel boots 7 to 8 hours easily. These are very comfortable, stunning, stylish, elegant, and easy to wear. Leather low knee high heel boots can be dressed up or down for various occasions. Wear them to work with a pencil skirt or dress pants, or to a night out with a cocktail dress. You can also wear them with jeans and a leather jacket for a casual, edgy look. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it, guys. Fox leather Loni high heel boots are versatile and stylish addition to any wardrobe. With the right styling care, the attention, these boots can become a staple in your fashion arsenal. Leather low knee high heel boots have been a staple in fashion for centuries. From cowboy boots to knee boots, leather has been a popular choice for footwear due to its durability and style. Today, leather low knee high heel boots are a fashion favorite among many, and for good reason. Leather boots are a timeless classic that can add a touch of sophistication to any outfit. Many celebrities have been spotted wearing leather low-knee high-heel boots, and for good reason. They were stylish, versatile, and can add a touch of glamour to any outfit. Take inspiration from your favorite celebrities and try pairing your boots with a dress or skirt for a chic and feminine look. These leather low knee high heel boots are made from high quality of leather. These boots are durable and long lasting. The low heel adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to the boots. The low knee high heel boots designs provides coverage and warmth, making them perfect for colder weather. Leather low knee high heel boots can be dressed up or down, making them suitable for various occasions. The low knee high heel boots makes these boots comfortable to wear for extended periods. The leather material and knee-high heel design make these boots a stylish addition to any outfit. Leather low knee-high heel boots can be paired with dress, skirts, or pants, make them a versatile footwear option. The leather material ensures that these boots are durable and long-lasting. Pair them with dresses like skirts, mini skirts, midi skirts. These boots can also be paired with pants for a more casual and edgy look. Consider adding a pop of color with a bright scarf or handbag to add visual interest to your outfit. Overall guys, leather loaning, high heel boots are versatile stylish footwear options. So guys, if you're loving these, then don't forget to subscribe. So goodbye dear friends.